How to dispose of adult diapers. Adult diaper disposal is an important subject that many people may overlook. It can be easy to forget about diapers when caring for elderly or disabled family members, but it's crucial to ensure that adult diapers are disposed of properly. In this video, we'll discuss why adult diaper disposal is important, the different types of adult diapers available, respiratory protection for disposal, potential health hazards, and the most environmentally friendly ways to dispose of adult diapers. At first glance, adult diaper disposal may not seem like a significant issue. It can be difficult for some people to bring themselves to even talk about adult diaper disposal, but it is a vital step that cannot be skipped. Unattended adult diapers can quickly become an unsanitary issue and create hazardous conditions that can affect your health as well as the environment. Disposing of adult diapers properly ensures a safe and healthy environment for you and those around you. It also protects the environment from any potential contamination caused by improper disposal, making it essential to know how to dispose of adult diapers responsibly. Types of adult diaper disposal. Adult diapers come in different types with specific features and benefits that are designed to best suit the needs of the wearer. The most commonly used adult diapers are disposable or reusable, but there are some other options available such as incontinence briefs and protective underwear. Each type has its own advantages and drawbacks, and you should consider what is best for your situation. Disposable adult diapers are usually made from a combination of fibers, including rayon, recycled paper pulp, and a synthetic material like polyethylene, sometimes with odor-eliminating chemicals. They are designed to be disposed of after a single use. This is the most convenient option as they can be easily thrown away after use, reducing the chances of cross-contamination. Reusable adult diapers are made from natural materials like cotton or bamboo, which are not as absorbent but much more durable and eco-friendly. These are recommended for those who are looking for a more cost-effective solution. Reusable diapers require a bit more effort to clean and maintain, but they can be used multiple times before disposing of them. Incontinence briefs and protective underwear are designed to provide better protection than standard disposable adult diapers. They are usually made from waterproof materials and may have additional features such as adjustable waistbands, built-in rash guards, and moisture-wicking fabrics. These types of diapers are more expensive, but may be a good option for those who need extra protection. When it comes to disposing of adult diapers, there are several ways to do so. The most common methods include regular trash disposal, in a bag and sealed, incineration, composting, and landfilling. Depending on the type of diaper you are using and the area you live in, certain disposal methods may be preferred over others. In any case, it is important to always take precautions when dealing with biohazardous waste. Health hazards associated with adult diaper disposal. When disposing of adult diapers, it is important to be aware of the potential health hazards that can arise as a result of improper disposal. Improper disposal of adult diapers can lead to biohazard contamination, air pollution, and water contamination. Biohazard contamination. Adult diapers are a common source of biohazard contamination due to their ability to contain bodily fluids, such as urine and feces. If these diapers are not disposed of properly, they can release these fluids into septic systems and public landfills, contaminating local water sources. In extreme cases, this can also lead to the spread of diseases such as cholera and typhoid. Air pollution. Improper disposal of adult diapers can also lead to air pollution. For example, if adult diapers are incinerated or burned, they can produce noxious fumes that can damage the environment and the health of nearby residents. Water contamination. Improperly disposed of adult diapers can find their way into rivers, streams, and other bodies of water. The absorbent material in adult diapers is designed to quickly soak up large amounts of liquid, which can result in the release of chemicals, heavy metals, and other contaminants into the water. This can have a devastating impact on aquatic life and even humans who come into contact with the water. It is therefore essential to be aware of the potential health hazards associated with adult diaper disposal and to take the necessary steps to safely and responsibly dispose of adult diapers. Environmentally friendly adult diaper disposal. Adult diapers cannot just be thrown away like any other household garbage. It is important that they be disposed of in an environmentally friendly way. There are several options available to dispose of adult diapers in a way that's kind to the environment. Composting. Composting is a great option that is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Composting reduces the amount of trash going to landfills, as well as the amount of energy used to collect and transport that trash. Adult diapers can be placed into a compost bin along with other organic material, such as food scraps. The material will then break down over time, creating nutrient-rich compost that can be used in gardens and other outdoor spaces. Incineration. Another way to dispose of adult diapers in an environmentally friendly manner is to incinerate them. This method involves burning the diapers at high temperatures, reducing their volume and resulting in the release of gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. However, it is important to note that this method has the potential to cause air pollution if not done properly. Landfill disposal. Landfills are a common option for disposing of adult diapers. While it is not the most eco-friendly option, it is still a viable option. It is important to note, however, that landfills are becoming increasingly full, so it is important to disposal of adult diapers in a responsible way. Other options. There are other options for disposing of adult diapers. Depending on the area, some communities may offer dedicated waste collection services for adult diapers. Additionally, many hospitals and other medical facilities have programs in place to properly dispose of adult diapers. Disposing of adult diapers at home. Getting rid of adult diapers safely is essential to keep your home clean and free from potential odors and bacteria. There are a few ways you can dispose of adult diapers at home, depending on the type and number of diapers you need to get rid of. Using a dedicated adult diaper bin or service. If you'd prefer to keep the adult diapers out of sight, you can purchase a dedicated adult diaper bin or use an adult diaper pickup service. An adult diaper bin will typically come with bags that are specially designed for disposing of adult diapers, which helps reduce odors and prevent leaks. A pickup service will usually come to your home and remove any used adult diapers, allowing you to conveniently get rid of them in large quantities without lifting a finger. Outdoor trash receptacles. If you don't have access to an adult diaper bin or pickup service, you can dispose of adult diapers in outdoor trash receptacles. To do this properly, you should double bag each diaper before tossing it into the trash. This prevents leakage and reduces the amount of odor that may escape into the air. After you throw away the adult diaper, wash your hands thoroughly and sanitize the area to prevent contamination. Getting rid of adult diapers requires additional care and attention to ensure it is done in a safe and effective manner. With the right disposal methods, you can make sure your home stays free from any odors or potential health hazards. Disposing of adult diapers can be a difficult and often unpleasant task, but it is an important part of ensuring the health and safety of you and your family. Respiratory protection, such as wearing a face mask and gloves, is essential for minimizing potential exposure to contaminants and hazards related to adult diaper disposal. Additionally, there are a number of environmental considerations to take into account when disposing of adult diapers, like the use of composting, incineration, and landfills. When disposing of adult diapers at home, it is important to keep in mind that they should be placed in a dedicated adult diaper bin or other trash receptacle and properly secured to prevent any spillage. Lastly, always remember to check local regulations for any specific guidelines pertaining to adult diaper disposal. By following these steps, you can ensure safe and responsible disposal of adult diapers and help protect the health and well-being of yourself and others in the process. Additionally, taking advantage of environmentally friendly and sustainable options, like composting and incineration, can help reduce our collective environmental footprint on the planet. When it comes to adult diaper disposal, it's important to do it right in order to protect yourself and the environment. Luckily, there are resources available to help make disposal easier and safer. Below are several organizations that specialize in adult diaper disposal. Diaper Disposal Association, a nonprofit organization dedicated to promoting environmentally responsible diaper disposal. National Diaper Network, an organization dedicated to educating the public on the importance of safe diaper disposal. American Diaper Bank, a network of diaper banks that provide clean diapers to families in need. Initiative for Diaper Disposal an international initiative working to reduce environmental waste and improve diaper disposal methods. These resources can provide helpful information on how to responsibly dispose of adult diapers, as well as other useful tips. Additionally, many local recycling or waste management centers may provide advice on adult diaper disposal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Caregiver Relief. If you have any thoughts, ideas, or suggestions for future videos, topics you'd like us to cover, or even improvements you'd like to see on the channel, drop them in the comments below.